There are improvements and there are changes, but Nuendo 10, what it brings to the workflow, is going to change your life.
We use Nuendo every day. It provides the best feature set for every production task, be it post-production, music, or even virtual reality.
Nuendo's capability for game audio creators is staggering, and I think that it's only just started. And I think anyone who's serious about making content for games should look at Nuendo as a platform.
Nuendo 10 for us is perfect to create a really immersive audio experience without any hassle.
All the important features that we need in audio post-production, such as field recorder import, reconforming, ADR, Dolby Atmos, it's all included in Nuendo. You don't need anything else.
Nuendo 10 is going to be an incredibly important release for audio professionals.